We're back with NBC News in depth tonight. It has to do with computers and then some. Americans own 3 billion electronic devices, and when it's time for them to die, it creates a big problem because of what they contain and the harm they can cause to the environment. 15% of them get recycled, but what about the rest? Here's NBC's Kevin Tibbles.
Old circuit boards, hard drives, computer mainframes. In their day, vital to the information age. Now, obsolete, toxic electronic junk. The Environmental Protection Agency says Americans throw out some 2 million tons of e-waste every year, filling landfills with metals, plastics, and poisons.
It takes us about maybe, I'm going to say 8 seconds to remove everything off of this board.
Brian Brundage is a miner of sorts. His Chicago recycling company sifts through mountains of electronic cast-offs. What do they find? Precious metals, gold in processors, silver in tape, and platinum in circuits. But also dangerous heavy metals, mercury in monitors, and lead in solder.
Every piece of electronics has a printed circuit board in it. Every printed circuit board has a lead-based solder.
70% of all heavy metals found in landfills come from discarded electronics. Recycling will keep them out, ensuring seepage doesn't pollute local groundwater. But most of us don't recycle our electronic junk. If your house is anything like mine, it all winds up crammed into a drawer somewhere or stuck in the corner. You feel guilty tossing it, but what do? Like Brad Wallink and Michelle Buhecker, many are turning to electronic recycling depots, like this one run by the city of Chicago.
If they can be recycled and put to better use, then, more power to you.
William McDonough, a pioneer in the movement for sustainable design, argues that everything we make should be designed for reuse.
Future generations will look back and say, what were you thinking treating all of this as useless waste when it had all this value?
Giving electronic waste an electronic reincarnation and keeping it out of the dump. Kevin Tibbles, NBC News, Chicago.